Good morning, good people. It's been a long time indeed. But yeah, I'm back. I'm back, good people. When I'm off, on my off days, I wanna chill, I wanna relax on my off days. But yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I want us to talk about cheating today. I want us to talk about cheating. Just give me 2 to 3 minutes of your time so we talk about this thing. You'll forgive me with noise, I'm in town here. Okay, have you ever been cheated on? Please, I would like you guys to see on the comment section. Have you ever been cheated on? How was the feeling? How was the feeling? I was once cheated on, and the person that I was dating, she went out to cheat, and when she came back, she was HIV positive. And then I was like, you know what's gonna happen now? We're gonna use condom all the time. And then she said to me, no, the doctor said it's not gonna it's not gonna contaminate you, it's only mine. And I was like, you know what's gonna happen? I don't want to hear those things. You and I are strictly gonna use condom. But I saw that no, this thing is not working. As much as I am trying by all means to fix it, it's not working. Then I decided, you know what? Let's just cut ties. Let's just cut ties. You go there, I go there. Let's just separate. Because now, since she was the one that was cheating, yeah, since she was the one that was cheating, now she was jealous. That time I was working as a cashier and the shop was closing at 7 o'clock. See, at 7 o'clock, she was expecting me to be home. I asked her, how is it possible for me to be home at 7 and yet I'm knocking off at 7? It's not possible. Because let me tell you one thing. At 7, I'm at work. Let's say, for an example, I'm a cashier. So I need to wait up until the last person is coming out. So at 7, I'm coming. At 7, I must wait for other people to come out. Then I go at the back. Then we calculate money. And then we make sure that, okay, the money is fine. And then I put it on the back. And then I sign in. Then I do all these things. And then I walk home. You see, it's like now, uh, 20, I'm gonna arrive at home at, like, for an example, 20 to 8. That time she will say, where were you? You were cheating, you were doing 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ne? So I was like, no, this is not working. Once your boyfriend or your girlfriend starts to cheat, so there's no relationship there. You just need to stop it. You just need to stop it because it's not working. Otherwise, yeah, that person was cheating literally every weekend. I remember we were working in the farm before we started working in the farm together. She would leave me in the bed in the farm and go to another farm to cheat and go to another farm to cheat. And then when all that thing was ending, she changed the topic and then she make it seem as if like I was the problem. The narcissist, they make you understand that you are the problem. They will never come to say, no, I was wrong in this situation. I am the one who was wrong. They will never do that shit. They will always make you the one that is the problem. So I've been through a lot, good people. I've been through a lot, good people. But then every time and every chance that I get, I give people chance. The person that I'm dating now, I'm not gonna treat as if like she was the one, she was cheating. She must give me the benefit of the doubt. She must be the one that is giving me the benefit of the doubt. But love you guys. Love you guys.